So yan, dahil wala kaming magawa, we went to Starbucks at close 12 a.m. Pag Sunday to Thursday and during Friday and Saturday, 1 a.m. sila nagsasara. Kahit ayaw na ayaw ng husband ko yung aking outfit. Kasi importante lang naman may pambayad ka pag pumunta ka dito. Nung pumasok kami ng Starbucks, I'm just a little disappointed kasi akala ko marami silang souvenir. At syempre, hinanap ko talaga yung Hello Kitty na souvenir pero wala akong makita. So this is what the second floor looks like. Napakalawak and it got a balcony. Since this branch can accommodate up to 300 people, medyo maingay sa loob. So you can stay here outside para enjoy yung view ng parking lot. So if we're going to talk about the ambience, this branch is 9 out of 10. Pero pagdating sa timpla ng kape, I'm so sorry. Gusto ko pa rin yung Ayala branch. So that's all for tonight.